Ever wished your printed labels looked as sharp as the digital design on screen? Bleed is the key. Let's learn how to create those print-perfect labels in Adobe Illustrator. Start by setting up your document with Bleed. Go to File. New, enter your label's dimensions y let's say to by 3 inches under Bleed. Add a value. Often 1 to 5 inches. This is the excess area, ensuring your design extends beyond the cut line. Then click Create. That red line, that's your bleed area. This is where your design elements will extend beyond the edge. Use the rectangle tool to draw a rectangle that goes all the way to the red bleed line, creating a solid background or any background element. Pick that color, select a color from the swatch panel, or the eyedropper tool will help you sample a color. Add your text with the type tool, adjust font and size, position the text within your label. To save your creation, go to File, Save As, select Adobe PDF format and click Save in Adobe PDF preset. Choose Press Quality, then, under Marks and Bleeds, check both the trim marks and use document bleed settings. And there you have it, a print-ready label with Bleed. Your design will be pristine, with no unwanted white edges. You're ready to reach out the most impactful print jobs. Bleed guarantees professional, eye-catching results.